Hello everyone! In this day, we learn how to download and install Audacy. What is Audacy? Audacy is a program edition, sound recording, and scan records live. Sound important, sport sound, play songs. Begin. Number 1. To down, we must go to link. audacy.com. Number 2. We download. Number 3. And also download the process to double click. Number 4. The run the program. Number 5. Then select the language you want to run the installation in the Spanish class. Number 6. We give a setting and following. Following, install. Why? Wait a moment. Okay. Following. Two finales. Okay. Second. Okay, good friends, that's all I hope you have learned to download Audacy in an easy and simple way. Okay, goodbye.